Hi, March has passed in a haze of antihistamines. I've had an unprecedented number of allergic flare-up episodes and have had to go in for shots several times. I'm still itching, as you can see. There is chronic urticaria. It's flared up utterly. All antihistamines have pretty much stopped working. So, lots of steroids, lots of weight. I'm dreading the moment my acne comes back. Very groggy here as a result of all the antihistamines. Right now I'm on hydroxyzine. And that's very, very sedating. The problem with a number of these antihistamines is that they're anticholinergic. That means they basically increase the risk of dementia. Not good for the brain. Given the amount I've had, I'm not looking forward to that day. Anyway, let's get on with empties instead of hopping on and on about me. So I had 88 products to finish at the end of February. Let's see how I did in March. Makeup first. Ofra lipstick, liquid lipstick. The shade's long since rubbed off. I didn't like it. The Ofra lipstick, I thought it was too drying on me. It also had a metallic tint. But yeah, I finally used it up. Won't ever repurchase, not a fan. Eyeliner, this came in a Yes Styles giveaway box from last year that I won. A very nice eyeliner actually. This is the Isehan Heroine Make Prime Liquid Liner. Very nice. The only problem is that it dries up and also the brush the felt tip goes wonky after a while. So as a result I won't repurchase these, but this one I actually managed to use up before it dried. Very nice eyeliner. Lasted quite well. Super waterproof it was. Benefit Gimme Brow, the old packaging. I think this is the last one in the old packaging. All of the others that I have are in the new packaging. The only problem is that it costs a lot. And ELF is a lot cheaper. So I might go for ELF in the future. One mascara, Benefit, they're real. Did nothing for my peach fuzz. I'll be repurchasing this. Lip balm, NYX Butter Lip Balm. All gone as you can see. Slightly tinted, don't be, sorry, I'm itchy here. Don't be misled by the term butter lip balm. Wasn't buttery, was actually more drying than other lip balms that I've used. Won't be repurchasing that one either. Foundation, believe it or not, a Stay Lauder Double Wear Maximum Cover. Used only a smidgen for the entire face, an absolute smidgen. And that took a long time finishing off. So this is probably even discontinued now. And I am not a fan of the coverage. I think it's too much. I'm happy with the Tier Mask Fit red cushion at the moment, particularly because, you know, I don't have acne, so I'm alright with less coverage. Today, I'm actually wearing only Tier over SPF, as a result of which I'm you can see that I'm a lot glossy. I'm not wearing any matte powder or compact on top. So, cleansers, simple, oil be gone, micellar water. Decent, but I prefer Garnier because I felt Garnier is a lot less stingy if it gets into the eyes. If this one gets into the eyes, it is not as stingy as others, but slightly stingier than Garnier. Also, Garnier is a lot cheaper. So I will be sticking to Garnier going forward. But yeah, it was nice to try out Simple's Micellar Water. Cleanser, Bioistrant Acid Duo 2% Mild Gel Cleanser. Thankfully, the last of this lot. I don't need acid on my face anymore, so it was quite stingy, but finally managed to finish off with much dilution. Will not be repurchasing unless I get acne. Toner, Dr. Trubek's Sparkling First Essence Vita Energy Treatment. This is a First Essence. First Essences are basically products which contain galactomyces and fermented content. Such as, this one, for instance, has bifida ferment lysate, galactomyces ferment filtrate, centellary shitticar extract, and oligopeptides, EGF. This one has ferments, as you can see, and galactomyces. So that's basically your first essence, first treatment product. I prefer SK2. Nothing comes close to SK2. I am getting a 230ml version shortly. Sorry, ignore my itching, please. Eye cream, the Organic Pharmacy Lip and Eye Cream. I think this came in an advent calendar from the Pip box. I can't be absolutely sure, but I think it did come in the Pip box advent calendar. Average, wasn't great for the lips, wasn't great for the eyes. Used it up because I had to. I don't like throwing product, people. Won't be repurchasing this either. Serum, now this I really like. Unique Beta Glucan Power Moisture Serum. Beta Glucan is a very powerful molecule that takes in a lot of water, provides a huge boost of hydration. As you can see, my face is quite hydrated and plump, but that's probably the weight gain from all the steroids. So I loved this. Will I repurchase? I want to. This or the Centella Ratiotica, the Centella Unscented Serum from Purito, the Centella obviously. But this wasn't bad. I mean, I'd probably layer this above Centella, above Purito for more hydration. So I will repurchase maybe once I run out of Nimbusin number 4 collagen serum. Sorry. Emulsion Snail Bee High Content Lotion from Benton. I no longer buy snail products. Nor do they really work for me. Used it up because there was very little left, finally got rid of it, won't be repurchasing. There are better snail products out there, including from Mizon. I don't love Benton anyway, but I've stopped using snail products altogether. So yeah, this one is a face moisturizer from Kudali. It is a Vino Source moisturizing sorbet. You know, nice for warmer nights when you don't want something very heavy on your face, but I still had to layer this beneath CeraVe or beneath a sleeping mask, so won't be repurchasing for that reason. The sleeping mask below which I layered the Kudali was the Premium Aloe Sleeping Mask. Wasn't too bad, was nice to layer above the Kudali Vino Source moisturizing cream. Will I repurchase? No, I prefer CeraVe. One step, cheap as chips, works a treat. Body products, you'll see a lot of these two brands going forward because I've been very itchy. Aveeno and Physiogel. This is the Physiogel Calming Relief AI Body Lotion. What is AI? Anti-itch. It is medicated. It was prescribed. It is not, strictly speaking, a beauty product. But, it isn't absolute medicine either. So, did it provide any relief? 25% relief. This provided another 25 to 30 or, even 40% relief. Aveeno lotion with colloidal oatmeal. This is their moisturizing lotion. I am currently using the skin relief lotion. These are all fragrance free and are very gentle on the skin. 50% relief doesn't quite cut it, beyond a point. Look at me, I'm still itching. I'm currently I've applied the Aveeno skin relief lotion, which is specifically anti-itching, and I am itching. So if it passes the tipping point, I do have to get shots or something. And this is after I've taken fexofenadine. That is an antihistamine. Now, 2 hair care products, Love Beauty and Planet sulfate-free shampoo. Love this brand, actually. It is a vegan plant-based brand, and this one, they have sulfate-free shampoos. I am currently using a conditioner from them. And yeah, if I had to use a shampoo, this one's very gentle, sulfate-free shampoo. Highly recommended, quite cheap. You get a huge quantity. Also used up this mask with it. Garnier Nourishing Banana Hair Food. All gone. I have one last one from this, and I probably will not repurchase in the immediate future because I prefer Love Beauty and Planet conditioners. Now, before you tell me that all these products are causing my allergies, all these products were in my routine before that. And my allergies, I have been tested, people. I have been tested. I don't know. Chronic urticaria flares up after a while. The antihistamines stop working after a while. They do stop flaring up after a while. I don't know. So that is 18 products that I have finished up this month, which leaves me with just 70 products, 70 people, to get through from April onwards. Will I get there? Stay tuned to find out. And watch this space. Do tell me what you have used up in the comments. I am, in a hurry because I want to go curl up somewhere, apply more Physiogel, or, Calamine, and curl up somewhere nice and cold and take an antihistamine and go off to sleep. Or, feel very sorry for myself. Or, just basically itch. So, yeah, sorry, people, in quite a hurry here. I will, however, be publishing the Lisa Eldridge lipsticks very shortly. That is a gift from one of you. I'll tell you who it is in that video. So stay tuned for that. That's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell. And I'll speak to you soon.